The de Broglie wavelength of neutrons is a thermal equilibrium at temperature E. Okay, the de Broglie wavelength of neutron in thermal equilibrium at a temperature T is lambda is equal to h divided by under root of 2m kb times t, where m is equal to the constant value, that is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27, and kb is equal to also constant value, that value is 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23, that is the joules per Kelvin. That is what we call as, that is the Boltzmann constant. And h is equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34, that is a joules second. Then if I would substitute these values, it will becomes lambda is equal to h is equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power of minus 34 whole divided by under root of 2 into m is 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 into kb is 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23. By simplifying, we get the value that is equal to 30.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 whole divided by under root of t. This we can write it as 30.8 divided by root t. Option D is our right answer.